Once upon a time there was a gingerbread man baking in a gingerbread pan. Raisin eyes and cherry nose, trimmed right down his fingers and toes. A gingerbread man baking in a gingerbread pan.
Here's a woman who made him so sweet, a treat for her and her husband to eat. She made him with flour and sugar and eggs. She gave him a face, 2 arms, and 2 legs, a gingerbread man and a gingerbread pan. Open the oven to see if he saw the gingerbread man. He know how to run out the oven onto the floor and now run away out the kitchen door. The gingerbread man, he's out of the pan.
Along came a cow who wanted a treat, and the gingerbread man who looked good to eat. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. I'm the gingerbread man and I'm out of the pan.
Along came a horse who wanted a snack, but the gingerbread man, he never looked back. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. I'm the gingerbread man and I'm out of the pan.
Along came a foreigner who wanted a treat, and the gingerbread man, he looked good to eat. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. I'm the gingerbread man and I'm out of the pan.
Along came a dog who wanted a snack, but the gingerbread man never looked back. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. I'm the gingerbread man and I'm out of the pan.
Along came a pig who wanted a treat, and the gingerbread man, he looked good to eat. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. I'm the gingerbread man and I'm out of the pan.
Along came a fox who wanted a treat, and this gingerbread man, he looked good to eat. Jump on my back, gingerbread pet, and we'll cross the river so you won't get wet. Mr. Gingerbread Man who's out of the pan.
There was no place to go. There was no place to run. And a ride on the river called the log of fun go off with the box. The gingerbread go. And what happened that you already know who the gingerbread man who out of the pan. I'm the one that me, you can't catch me.